So in today's video, we will be discussing on how you can move towards SaaS and why AI-driven technologies are really important for it. We all know about ChatGPT and what it is capable of doing. With the sudden shift towards the AI, more and more SaaS businesses are trying to use AI in their day-to-day applications. The reason is because they want to add some kind of unique selling point with the help of AI automation or AI tool. In this video, I will be sharing with you 5 SaaS ideas that is AI based. And you can validate these ideas. It's not validated before you actually implement it. So the first idea is about filmmaking. In this particular idea, I'm not talking about making a very big videos or something which has to do with animation and all kind of fancy stuff of videos. Now, in this, a very simple or very generic idea, which can make a video with the help of couple of photos or images. Now, AI-based images, you know about dall-e is capable of doing. Now, imagine of these bunch of images which are stacked together and they are moved in such a speed, it will show as a moving video. It's something like in older times people used to do. Now, this can make a sudden shift towards the filmmaking industry because I know big companies like Pixar and Disney are trying to achieve this thing. And if you are able to do even a small research or some kind of paperwork or a patent, you guys will be having a good amount of revenue if you also give it or try to sell it also to other companies. Okay, now my second idea is about image processing with AI. Now, the reason why this idea came is because I was seeing my Instagram and there was a advertise which came up from an architecture or interior property design or those people who make your rooms and all those things. So what if we introduce some kind of app or some kind of technology where a person can directly record the interior of his room and the AI automatically starts to suggest couple of designs idea on basis of color, furniture, replacements, and how we can make it more attractive. It's the same concept what dall-e does. Like you have couple of variants of your images. You can pick any one of them, and then you can add more values to it. So some kind of idea in this field also could be very useful. Now my third idea is based upon AI detection extension that can be directly used within a Chrome or any Firefox as an extension to it. Now the reason why this idea came in my mind is because there are a lot of people I've seen nowadays started using ChatGPT or Jasper.ai in order to write all their blogs articles. Now in order to see like which article has been written by an AI and which article is written by a human, they need to have an extension which can differentiate between these two. So an extension like this would be really helpful directly integrating to your browsers and would be able to tell like 80% this is AI based article or 20% this is human based article. So it would be really helpful. So my fourth idea is based upon AI based narrating, and in this idea why it came in my mind after seeing, it's not an idea by the way. I see like Apple which has already been doing this. They have introduced a very nice narrating tool which is based upon their AI, and if you have heard the news, it's calling like the death of the narrators. Now tools like that could be really helpful not only in the Apple case. We all like, not everyone uses Apple specifically, so we can look into something like LinkedIn where we have like lot of big posts, and if you want to not I personally don't read all those posts. It's really time consuming, but if there's certain kind of narration which is happening, or let's suppose on Medium also you have seen there's a listen now button on big articles or any articles by the way. So we can develop such extensions or such tools which can be really helpful and I think has a good amount of value. Now the another part where I feel like the AI could be really helpful is in the smart photos. Think of it something like that. You have made a program which can directly integrate with the cameras, big cameras with like DSLR and all those. And photographers who have to wait for a long time in order to take the photos of birds and wildlife or anything. You train an AI in order to do that thing, and AI itself does. So by doing this thing, it will really save a lot amount of time of yours, as well as it would be a really helpful product. So this was all in today's video. We have seen couple of ideas. Please go and validate these ideas before implementing it. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.